Good afternoon, Namaskaram, Miruthan. In this episode, like എല്ലാരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറാണ്. ഈസ് എ PhD, is a lifestyle and wellness consultant, astronumerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert as well. He's met by celebrities and film stars, and today he is here to assist you. He's also traveled all over the world. അപ്പം ഇന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും വിളിച്ച് നേരിട്ട് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറിനോട് നിങ്ങൾ ജ്യോതിഷപരമായിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ സംശയങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കാൻ വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ 0529611333. അതുപോലെ ഇന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട ഒരു കാര്യം SMS ആണ് അയക്കേണ്ടത്. SMS നമ്പർ 3537. അപ്പം മെയിൽസ് അയക്കാതെ SMS അയക്കുക. അപ്പം SMS ഞങ്ങൾ വായിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അപ്പം ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഞാൻ ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കുന്നു, വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ 0529611333. ഡോക്ടർ നമസ്കാരം, എഴുത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
Namaskaram.
All right, how are you doing today, doctor?
Excellent.
Okay,
Just
shall we
from travel.
Yes, okay, shall we start with the nakshatram for today?
Okay, yeah, fine. I think today's nakshatra is it is called in Hindi, it is called Arda, but otherwise it is Truvadira.
Yes.
Yeah, because a lot of non-Keralites are also watching this program. So
Yes.
I said yes. Okay, the general characteristics of they emphasis on the mind or thinking capacity, deep feelings along with passionate thinking, and usually they think a lot and then they will take the steps. This is basically, and what is favorable, like very very curious mind, hunger for knowledge, quick in action, good memory, prefers physical work or work involving the body like physical exercises, good at getting support from the government or authorities, great communicator, truthful, have a transformative point, and even quite compassionate towards those who are in pain, like they would like to help unprivileged people. Unfavorable they are very very arrogant, and basically they have lust for material things. Sometimes they are ungrateful, mischievous, reckless. They have usually physically oriented jobs, and self-serving, stubborn. They are sometimes impolite, and usually lot of thinking is involved. So sometimes it is poor financial planning also. And career interest for this nakshatra is they are writers, teachers. As I told, they think a lot. They will be writers, teachers, and social services, sales, even politics, drug dealers, or you can say they must be pharmacists. They cannot be doctors because that's the level for it. And they also prefer canned food. So these are some of the like they can be in the canned food industry, frozen food industry, that is there. Okay.
All right, so that was it. Okay, thank you, doctor. We have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, namaskaram. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഞാൻ സന്ധ്യയാണ്, ഷാർജ.
ഓക്കെ, സന്ധ്യ പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. സമയം പറഞ്ഞു, ഡേറ്റ് പറയുക. യെസ്.
Date of birth is 10th of August 1978.
1978.
Yes.
Okay, time?
12:40 p.m.
Okay, and place of birth?
Place of birth, Trivandrum.
Okay, എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
Just want to know the future, like how this is like married life, and you're planning to buy the plot and all in back home.
Okay.
So ഇത് വെക്കാനുള്ള സ്ഥലം വെച്ച് ഇത് വെക്കാനുള്ള അതൊക്കെ എപ്പോഴാണെന്ന് അറിയാനായിട്ട്. All the basic things about health also.
Okay, she wants to know about her health, her future, and they're planning to buy a plot back in their hometown. So she would like to know about that, even about her married life.
Okay, you are Tula Rashi and Chitra Nakshatra.
Yes.
Yeah, your Kantaka Shani is going on from 2009 and it will finish in October 2017. You have also Chava Dosham, and the dasha which you are going through is Shani Dasha. So you have from August 2013. So I will tell you, like you have Kantaka Shani and plus you dasha, and the Jatakam is Shani Dasha up till August 2032. I would advise you like not to buy the plot immediately, because Shani Dasha is going on. You can buy in 2016 or 2017, not even 2015, because if you will buy, like it will not be favorable for you, or you may go on the wrong buying.
Okay.
Yeah. And regarding health, do you feel quite weak for yourself sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes I do feel very, very
Exhausted.
very weak.
Yeah, correct.
Mentally weak. Yeah.
Yeah, mentally quite weak. See, this is just because of the dasha what is going through, so that is why I could tell you about these things. And I would tell you some remedies. I think if you do that, the favorability will come to you as per the remedies. I think you can write it down.
Okay.
You can wear a rose quartz crystal bracelet. You can
Okay.
go for the prosperity pendant. That is number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah, keep a small piece of square silver in your purse.
Okay.
And plus I will advise you, both Shani Dasha is there, feed the pigeons daily. Feed the
Okay.
pigeons daily for 62 days with chiruper, green whole moong and yellow moong dal. Mix it and give it to the pigeon for 62 days, and then after that thrice a week, Saturday, Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay.
And plus if you can feed 11 poor people once a month, 11 poor
Okay.
people once a month, only food, no money, just with the vegetarian
Okay.
food. And
Okay.
these laborers, you will get some, construction is going on, and Baldiyas and Natur, you can just give it to them, but just once a month, and especially if it is on Saturday, I think this would give you good results. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and for the land, try to postpone it for 2016. Okay.
2016.
Yeah, not even 2015, because 2016 it will be the third phase of Kantakashani,
So my conversion is still 2016, right? 2017 you told me, right?
Kantakashani is up till 2017, but in 2017 it will lighten, so that time you can buy.
Okay.
Same, Amitabh Bachchan is also Tula Rashi, and he's Revati Nakshatra, but he is also Kantakashani is going on. So don't worry,
Okay.
it can benefit you also at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you for calling.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
bye. All right, doctor, can we go to the SMS? It's from
SMS?
Aparna Bala.
Okay, you got SMS.
This one only.
Okay.
Aparna Bala, yes.
Okay, you got an SMS from
Yeah,
Aparna Bala.
yes. She's written, she's sent us a SMS saying that she appreciates reading earlier mail during the last episode, and she's also told thanks for that, and she's also said she'll be following the advice, and she also would like to know about what prosperity pendant is. She was told that a prosperity pendant is number 2, and she would like to have a further clarification on that.
Okay.
And she's also given about her sister's details.
Yes.
Okay, sister's name is Amrita. Her date of birth is 7th April 1989.
17 April.
Yes. Time is 7:30 p.m. Born in Kannur.
Kerala.
Star is Puram.
Puram.
Religion Hindu.
Okay.
So she would like to know about her marriage prospects, career prospects, health, and
Okay.
future. And also she would like to know where she'll be settled in future, whether it'll be somewhere abroad or in India.
Okay, first of all, let us answer a question.
Yes.
She's told she wants to know about the prosperity pendant. I'll
Yes.
explain to you.
Okay.
Then you also can explain to her.
Yeah.
It is basically, it's a pendant, oval shaped pendant, or sometime it is a heart shape or a pear shape. In the center, the number is there, like 1, 2, 3, your numbers too, and overall there are you can say 9 gemstones corresponding to the 9 planets, and this is made very, very scientifically, and I don't think it is available here. If you want any of the assistance in getting these things, we can always help you out, and now you can explain how it is.
യെസ് പ്രോസ്പെറിറ്റി പെൻഡന്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇപ്പം നമ്പർ 2 ആണെങ്കിൽ അതൊരു ഒരു പെൻഡന്റിന്റെ ഷേപ്പിൽ നമ്പർ 2 എഴുതി അതിന്റെ ചുറ്റും 9 ജെംസ് ആയിരിക്കും, ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ്സ് 9 പ്ലാനറ്റ്സ്. അത് ഇവിടെ ലഭ്യമല്ല. അപ്പം ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ കോൺടാക്ട് മിസ്റ്റർ കിരൺ, ആൻഡ് ദ കോൺടാക്ട് നമ്പർ ഇസ് ദെയർ ഓൺ യുവർ സ്ക്രീൻ. വൺസ് അഗൈൻ ഐ വിൽ ബി റിപ്പീറ്റിംഗ് ദാറ്റ് 0502724157. അതുപോലെ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഞാൻ ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്, SMS ആണ് നിങ്ങൾ അയക്കേണ്ട. SMS number is also there on your screen. 3537 is the number. All right.
Yeah, so
Yes,
it's
I
for,
think we have a I think we have a caller with us.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon, നമസ്കാരം.
ഹലോ,
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എന്റെ പേര് നിഷ.
നിഷയെ കുറിച്ചാണോ അറിയണ്ടേ?
അതെ അതെ.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 3rd November
Yes.
1988.
Okay, time
Time 12
PM.
12 p.m.
Okay.
Dubai.
Okay. എന്താ
Just
അറിയണ്ടേ?
wanted to know about the job, future, married life and all.
Okay.
Okay, you are born on Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said Dubai?
Yes, she's born in
Yeah,
Dubai.
Dubai.
Time is 12 p.m.
Yeah, Dubai.
Yeah, 12 noon.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, you are Simha Rashi, Magam Nakshatra.
Yeah.
And you also have Ardha Shani just started on November 2014. It will be up till October 2017. And one more thing. And your Dasha is Dasha going on is yes, Surya, Ravi Dasha at present. It is up till July 2017. But thing is, Ardha Shani started. So, did you get break in the studies or delay in the studies?
No, I just completed.
Straight away you complete. You didn't do any diploma or anything after that.
Yeah, I done master's.
Acha, but straight continuously did it.
Yeah, continuously.
Okay. And I would advise you. You can do. What was your question?
I wanted to know about the job,
Your job. You are doing presently job.
your married life.
Yeah. You are doing any job now.
No.
Okay. Job prospect I can see only mid of next year, 2015.
Okay.
Yeah, because Ardha Shani is just started, So it will not give you a job of your own satisfaction.
Okay.
And regarding married life, it is okay, average, nothing to worry about it presently. But there can be, discomfort in understanding in 2016, not now, but maybe end of 2015 or early 2016. So you should take care of that. I will advise you some remedies. You can wear a amethyst crystal in a pendant format or a crystal stone format. Plus, you can go for the prosperity pendant number 3. Take salt water bath once a week. In fact, continuous you can take for 7 days from Saturday to Saturday, and then every Saturday you can take a salt water bath from the head bath, and subsequently you can take after that the fresh water bath. Plus, I would like you to donate, if you can donate some food and fruits to the poor, plus to the orphanage. Basically, to the orphanage people, don't give money, but food or food, whatever is possible, you can donate there. And I would advise, if you can keep a fast on Monday, you can eat lunch or dinner, one time food, and in daytime tea, coffee, fruit juices are allowed. And plus, for job prospects, I will tell you, feed the ants with cooked rice and sugar. Ants are available at the base of every tree. Feed ants with cooked rice and sugar, mixed it and give it to 2-3 trees, at the base of 2-3 trees daily. I think you can do daily, nothing wrong. So I think that would give you good results also in your job prospects. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thanks for calling. Doctor, in fact, we were talking about
About the
Aparna's.
Aparna's,
yes, for her
SMS,
sister, yes.
Yeah, correct. Okay, she is Simha Rashi, Puram Nakshatra, has also Ardha Shani started and it will finish in 2017. She have got Chava Dosham also. So the necessary prayers has to be done regarding the Chava Dosham in your native place. And marriage prospect, if you do these remedies, I think she can get married between 27 and a half years. Otherwise, if you don't do the remedies, as Chava Dosham is there, sometime, the late marriage is there, like 31, 32 or 33 years of age. Career prospects, I will tell you, it is good, but it will be delayed for some time because of some obstacles. And future is basically abroad. If she will be prosperous more away from the motherland or abroad, so that is better. She can go for Rahu Mala beads, Rahu Mala beads come 27 Mala, because she is having a Rahu Dasha also at the same time. So she got Shani also and Rahu also. Rahu is up till 2032. Rahu Dasha in your Jatakam is up till 2032. And That's why I told you can wear a Rahu beads mala. Plus prosperity pendant number is 9. You can wear a citrine quartz crystal. Keep a small piece of square silver in your purse. Keep a crystal pyramid at your office table or at your study table. Then electric goods, do not accept any electrical goods free of cost, and drink water in silver glass. Plus if you have any electrical goods at home which is not working, either repair it or throw it, get rid of it. I think this would give your this Amrita very good results in your career and you can say future prospects.
ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു ഡോക്ടർ. അപർണ, അപ്പം ഈ ഒരു SMS-ന്റെ ഉത്തരം ലഭിച്ചു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഡോക്ടർ വി ഹവ് എ കോളർ വിത്ത് us. ഹലോ, ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ.
ഹലോ,
യെസ്, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
സന്ധ്യ.
സന്ധ്യ. ഓക്കെ സന്ധ്യ, ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ കുറിച്ച്
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് പറയൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
ജനുവരി 4th, 1984.
Jan 4th, 1984.
അതെ.
Time?
രാവിലെ 5:20.
Okay, 5:20 in the morning, 5:20 am.
ആ,
Yes, and സ്ഥലം എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
ആലുവ, കേരളത്തില്.
ഓക്കെ, പ്ലേസ് ഇസ് കേരള. ഓക്കെ, എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ സന്ധ്യ?
എങ്ങനെ ഇപ്പൊ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ, കരിയർ,
ഓക്കെ
ഹെൽത്ത്.
ഓക്കെ.
Okay, you're born on Wednesday,
യാ.
5:20 in the morning.
ആ.
She was to know about her future, career and
Okay.
health.
Okay. Okay, you are Dhanu Rashi. And your nakshatra is Uttradam.
ആ, യാ.
Yes. Okay, your Kantaka Shani is just started in November and it will last up till January 2023. So you have to wait, or you have to get ready for your what you say facing your struggles, you know, in life.
ഓക്കെ.
Yeah, you are Chavadosham also at the same time, and I think necessary prayers should be done regarding the same with immediate effect.
ഓക്കെ, വാട്ട് ട്രെയിൻ?
Necessary Chavadosham prayers in your native place.
ഓക്കെ.
Yeah. Your dasha also in your Jatakam is Rahu dasha, and it is up till 2024.
ഓക്കെ.
So I think you have to face lots of difficulties, plus your prosperity in each and every way will be little delayed or will be slow.
Okay.
And in this Rahu Dasha, usually you will get 30-35% of your efforts results. Yeah. So, and what was your question regarding the same?
She wanted to know about her future, career and
And remedy.
Yeah, remedies I will tell you, don't worry. Remedies I will tell you. So usually I told you that this is your dasha, and it will be slow, because as per dasha, you know, one thing, your career and all prospects will be slow. Plus you will not get 100% results. In fact, 30-35% you will get the results. Now I will go for the remedies. Please take it down that you should wear a rose quartz crystal, prosperity pendant, rose quartz crystal.
Okay.
Your prosperity pendant number is 3.
3. Okay.
Yeah, lucky day is Thursday. Favorable number is also 3. The color is yellow and orange. And now I will tell you, you should donate, that is food and fruits, to the special needs children, you know. If
Okay,
you-
pardon?
Special needs children, you know, special needs child.
yeah. സ്പെഷ്യൽ
Hello,
ഹലോ
clear?
ഓക്കെ സ്പെഷ്യൽ നീഡ്സ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ് ഡൊണേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം എന്നാണ് ഡോക്ടർ പറഞ്ഞത്.
Fruits, അല്ലേ?
ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ് ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് എൽസ് ഡോക്ടർ?
Fruit or food, whatever.
ഓക്കെ.
Food or fruit.
Okay.
And even you can donate stationery to the school going children, any type of stationery which is helpful to them. If you can
Okay.
keep a fast on Saturday, it is very good, lunch or dinner. And
Okay.
yes, and even if you feed the fishes whenever it possible, feed the fishes with cooked rice and sugar.
Okay.
with cooked rice and sugar. I think these are the remedies which will give you good benefit and it will dilute the negative effects.
Okay.
Okay, thanks
Thank
a lot,
you.
Sandhya, for calling. Alright,
Okay,
doctor.
bye.
We'll go to another SMS that's come.
Okay.
It's from Amit.
Yeah.
Star is Triketa. His date of birth is 13/8/1997. Time is 3:15. I just cannot understand if it's AM or PM. And he wants to know about his future and studies.
Yeah. First of all, I have taken 3:15 a.m.
AM. Okay.
And second thing, the place of birth is not there.
Yes.
So I have taken it as Kerala by
Okay,
default. Okay.
okay.
So this is his Vrishik Rashi, Trikata Nakshatra, Ketu Mahadasha is going on, and his I can see the studies about his future actually and studies. Studies, there's a likely you can get a break in the studies. I think you should be careful. You can get a break in the studies. Do not listen to your friend circle. That also involvement can be there where you can be misguided by the friend circles. Your prosperity pendant number is 7. Keep a crystal globe at your you can say right hand side of the study table, and even face east while studying. Keep a 7 pieces of peacock feather at your study table. Wear amethyst crystal bracelet. Amethyst crystal bracelet, that is will also help you in the studies. And for this dasha, I will tell you, on Wednesday wear green color clothes, and daily for 43 days feed the cat. Daily for 43 days feed the cat with cat food, and then after that only on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. I think if you do that, your result in the studies will improve. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Alright, we have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon. Namaskaram.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
Aishwarya.
ഐശ്വര്യ. Okay, ഐശ്വര്യ, ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെക്കുറിച്ച് തന്നെയാണ്
Okay.
higher studies-ഉം career-ഉം.
Okay, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. Date of birth പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
10 September 1997.
97. Okay. Time of birth?
10:40 a.m.
Okay. Place?
Thrissur, Kerala.
Okay. She wants to know about her higher studies and your career. Okay.
So 10/9/1997,
Yes.
Wednesday, 10:40 a.m.
Yeah.
Kerala. Okay. Okay, your Vrishik Rashi and your nakshatra is Triketa.
Yes.
Okay. You also, okay, you're going through a phase of Kantaka Shani presently, and it will finish in January 2020. So you will have difficult times in study, I think so. And you have also got Chava dosha. Do you feel difficult in concentration of studies?
Yeah.
Correct?
Kind of.
And plus I will I think whatever efforts you are putting in studies, you are not getting the result as per your effort, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your dasha is presently is Shukram dasha. That is okay, dasha is okay, which is just drawing you towards the luxuries, I think, which is not right. I think you can go for prosperity pendant number 5, that is Budam number 5.
Okay.
Yeah, and plus you can donate educational books to the needy children, you or your parents, on your name, on your behalf.
Okay.
Okay, and can you keep fast or presently no?
I can.
You can keep fast. Okay,
Yeah.
keep a fast on every Wednesday. Be a vegetarian on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, avoid full black. Wear blue on Saturday.
Okay.
And if you can wear a Rudrasham, that is number 1, that will also give you good support or away from negativity while studying. Basically it will help you for concentration, because if negative thoughts are not there, then that's more concentration, basically you lack of concentration. Even you can keep 7 pieces of peacock feather in your study room. And even you can keep a crystal pyramid at your study table in a glass bowl half immersed in water, and you can change this water every 2 to 3 days. So whatever negative thoughts are coming, while studying, that will go off. You will have better concentration and better prospects in career and studies. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you Aishwarya for calling. Doctor, it's time for a break.
Okay.
മിഴിയെടുത്തിൽ ഇനി ഒരു ബ്രേക്കാണ്. ബ്രേക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമുക്കിവിടെ കിട്ടുന്ന SMS വായിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും, അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിക്കാം. സോ സീ യു ഓൾ ആഫ്റ്റർ എ വെരി ഷോർട്ട് ബ്രേക്ക്.